welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to unbox my Yucky Science slime kit. So let's get started. So guys, this is my Yucky Science slime kit. Here is written it is allow for age above 4 years and it makes 15 plus slimes. And on back side here are some instructions and things we need for making slime. So I will show you what are the things in this slime kit. So let's see. Here are 3 glue bottles. These both are clear glue and this is one white glue. So here are some watercolors: golden, silver, pink, green, brown and skin color. So guys, here are slime activator liquid plus slime activator, 3 mini bottles. In this there are slime activator. So guys, these both are slime containers. So this is a manual. We have to read this manual and make this slime. So for making our crunchy slime, here are some thermocol ball. This is plain and this is colorful. And these are 3 glitters: blue, pink and golden. So guys, this is a spatula for mixing the slime. So guys, this is for today's video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon for new video notification. Till then, take care and bye bye.